Changing the language in the DAZN app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the DAZN app. Launch the DAZN app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by gear or 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select language options. In the settings menu, find the option labeled language or language preferences. Tap on it to view the available language options. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and select the one you want to use. Confirm your selection if prompted. Step 5. Restart the app. To ensure the changes take effect, close the DAZN app completely and then reopen it. Your selected language should now be active. Now you can enjoy your DAZN experience in your preferred language. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section or contacting customer support for assistance.